If you have a cat, never do these three things. The first is loud noises. Cats are very sensitive to loud and sudden sounds such as fireworks, thunderstorms, or loud music. These sounds can cause them stress and fear. The second is unexpected movements. Cats can be frightened by sudden and unexpected movements. These may be sudden gestures from people or movements of other animals that they perceive as a threat. And the third, familiar to all cat owners, is water. Many cats have a fear or aversion to water. They may be afraid of bathing or even getting their paws in the water due to their sensitivity to the cold and the discomfort of wet fur. Like and comment if you love kitties.